Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build digital forensics capabilities with EnCase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build digital forensics capabilities with EnCase, begin by understanding what digital forensics encompasses. Digital forensics involves the process of uncovering and interpreting electronic data. Next, acquire the EnCase software, ensuring you have the right licensing based on your needs. Install EnCase following the provided installation instructions carefully. Create a project file to organize your digital investigation efficiently. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, as navigating through the software is crucial. Import the evidence you wish to analyze by using the Add Evidence feature. Ensure proper chain of custody documentation by logging all evidence acquisitions. Once the evidence is loaded, utilize the Examine feature to start your analysis. Explore the various views within EnCase, such as timeline and file system views, to gain insights. Use filtering options to isolate relevant data that pertains to your investigation. Employ keyword searches to locate specific terms of interest in the datasets. Review file metadata to understand the context surrounding the digital evidence. Once your analysis is complete, generate a report capturing your findings. Make sure your report is clear and professional, as it may be viewed by external parties. Lastly, review your findings with stakeholders to ensure all aspects are covered. This process will enhance your digital forensics capabilities using EnCase effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.